Oh, guess what showed up today? I got my Google Mesh. There it is, people. That's what it looks like. I want to go ahead and set it up. I want to try to do some speed tests and see how much it helps me. I'm pretty confident it will. So stay tuned.
No problems, just situations.
Just show you real quick what comes in the box. You get 3 pucks. And then you get a power cord for each one. And then you get 1 Ethernet cord, which is a flat Ethernet cord, which is kind of cool. But yeah, that's what you get. Each one has 2 ports. Solid. Of course, Google got Google name on it, so can't be too bad. So we'll check it out. Alright, we'll go ahead and try to get this sucker set up. I'm going to click get started. There's the Google puck. I've already got it plugged up. It's going to look for my device. I believe it's going to have me scan the QR code. Yes. So what we'll do, get that real quick. Boom, got it. See how we go. Check the internet connection. Parent Wi-Fi point. Alright, where is your Wi-Fi point? It's going to be in. And we're going to see. Just for now. We can skip this or. Let's create. Powered by Google Cloud. Like that. No thanks. You know what? Let's try it. We're gonna go turn back. All right. Also, if you do one of these, make sure you plug the Ethernet into the right port. All right, now we're gonna hook up. I'm gonna hook up the second puck in my office or studio. Let's try it. Of course, you can move it around. Let's see. We'll put office. You can customize that, I believe. You can name it whatever you want. See what it does. Scan the QR code at the bottom. Simple as that. Not sure why the video's froze, but let's see how it works. Nice. Alright. We're going to go to the next one. Alright. Now this is my third puck. This one I put downstairs. This is probably going to be the one that helps us the best as far as hitting dead spots. We'll see. Alright. Alright, scan QR code. There we go. Alright, for some reason my screen software freezes whenever I go to scan the QR codes, but it's all good. Alright, looks like it's finishing up. Alright. It says it's finalizing your home Wi-Fi. Make sure everything is in order. Alright. See what kind of test it's gonna do. First time doing this, so we're gonna do this on the fly. Everything looks good. Let's just a few more minutes. Almost done. Yeah, alright. I'll play with this software a little while later, and then we'll do some speed tests. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do my 2.4 before the Google Mesh. I'll see what kind of speeds we get, and then we'll compare them after I hook it up. See how we do. And there you have it. Next I will do 5. Alright, now I'm going to do 5G. Let's see how we do. Yep, my 5G is usually on point. My 5G. Check out the mesh in the very same spot I checked it before. Let's see what it does. Uh-oh. We got 100. Not as fast as the 5G, so still good. Solid connection. However, I'm going to check some things, and maybe I need to tweak something. This is all new to me, so. Alright guys, I've done played with the Google Mesh for a little bit. Still have a lot to tweak and play with. Hopefully I'll get some help from friends that have dealt with this. Overall, I'm very happy. I'm glad I purchased this Google Mesh system. I got the first gen. What I will say, the only downfall, and it could be just something that I need to look at, my 5G in this room is getting 100 megabytes faster than my mesh. I'm sure there's a reason for it. I'm going to hope to find it out. But overall, besides that, everything else is faster. Um, I'm getting better connection speeds, more stable speeds, not dropping. Also, I did a video, but the videos didn't convert correctly from my phone. But the worst spot that I have in the house where my wife's computer is has the worst speeds. It's like a dead zone. Considerably big improvement in that area.
No more dead zone works perfect. Speeds are awesome. So my wife should be happy about that. But overall, I'm happy. I still have a lot to play with. I appreciate uh, Mike G for recommending it. Um, I'm sure I'm going to figure out why I'm getting faster speeds on my 5G versus my mesh in this particular. It's just in this particular room. Um, I may have to move the pucks around a little bit, but again, I definitely recommend it. If you're having some issues with your Wi-Fi, obviously, if you have great Wi-Fi and you don't really need it, don't get it. I mean, simple as that. If it's not broken, don't fix it. So I appreciate everybody watching. This was kind of a rough video, kind of pasted together real quick, but I wanted to get it out there and so people can see how my experience went. And like I said, I'm still not done. I think I'm going to be moving some things around, and I think it'll help as well. So, till next time, thanks for watching. See you next time.
No problems, just situations.